Videos are getting millions of views every single month, and this is how you can create this type of videos with free tools, no subscription, in less than 5 minutes. So first hit the subscribe button, and that being said, let's get straight into the video. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt I will give you. It will be in the description box, okay? Paste in the prompt. It's going to give you every episode, the detailed image prompt as well as video prompts, each scene by scene image and video prompt, okay? So you're going to get everything. So copy the image prompt and paste it again into ChatGPT. After you've pasted, you click on send. As you can see, it will start generating immediately. Here it is. Click on it, right, and then click that download button on top to download the image into your phone. Continue to do this for every scene. Copy and generate your images for free using ChatGPT. Now after you are done, go over to Flow AI. Now click on the plus icon on top. It will take you here. Click on images and upload the image that you want to use, which is the one we just created now. Scroll all the way down and you see image and video. Click on video. Then click on how many seconds. I'm choosing 8 seconds, 9:16 aspect ratio 2 times, or you can choose 1 if you wanted to generate only 1 video, okay? Then you can choose between frames or ingredients, whatever one suits best that you want to use. Now once you are done, you come over back again to the chat, and then you're going to be pasting in the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT, right? You're going to be pasting it for the video prompt, and then we're going to click on send, okay? And as you can see, it's generating the video. So now the first clip is done. Let's play the video and see how it comes out. Go. So for the second clip, we'll also repeat the exact thing.
Staff! Give that back right now!
Now once you are done, download it. If you also want to generate voiceover for the clip, right, you don't want to use the voice here, you want to download voiceover, what you're going to do is head over to your browser and click on and search for Google AI Studio Text to Speech. Click on generate speech. So here you're going to be choosing the style you want to use, okay? Whether master storyteller or but for me, I'm going to be using the add voiceover. Anyone you want to use is fine, okay? For the sake of this video, I'm using the add voiceover, and here you're going to be imputing this sample. You're going to go over to ChatGPT, copy the script, and you're going to be imputing it here, okay? You're going to delete everything here and then impute the script, right? So here it is, okay? I'm just using this as an example. Now if you want to add a second speaker, right, you want it to like have 2 voices, just click on add speak block, then impute what you want the second speaker to say, okay? Now once it's done generating, click on the download icon close to the play button and it will download straight into your file. So now the next thing you're going to do is very simple. You're going to head over to CapCut, and then we're going to click on new video and select the videos that we're using. So delete the CapCut logo at the end, then go ahead, crop out the parts that are not necessary, remove the parts that are not necessary, and also add your audio. Click on add audio and add your audio from your device. Just go ahead and join the clips together, edit it, and you are free to upload it on YouTube and you're good to go, okay? So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click on the red subscribe button, like, share, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye.